So this is 10 business idea that you can start from the comfort of your home with zero investment. First is drop shipping. So you start drop shipping business by doing what? Selling products online. And by doing this, you are going to be getting paid if you are able to make any sales. That is how drop shipping works. The next business is social media marketing. So what you are doing is that you are helping small business to get to the people that is in need or in demand of that particular product. You help them to market their product or help them to set up their social media account properly so that it will get to the right audience. And you are going to let them know the strategy that is going to allow them to be in the right path that is going to allow them to go to the next level in that their social media platform that they are using. Third business is online tutoring. Online tutoring is safe. Just for example, let us say you know how to speak English perfectly. So you can start teaching people this English and they are going to pay you money by doing this. So if you know how to fix a product, you are going to teach people how to fix a particular product or service. You are going to get paid by doing this tutoring to these type of people. You teach them what they don't know and they are going to pay you money by doing this. The fourth business is print on demand. So print on demand business is you selling products that you are not touching. Other people are the one doing the delivering and shipping, and all you just need to do is to know how to market the product to the people that is in demand of it. You are going to be getting paid every single time you are able to sell the product or service that you are selling on that your print on demand shop. That is one business. That is the fourth business that you can start. The fifth business is to start home-based baking or catering. So this business model, what they are offering is that you are making snacks, cakes. A lot of person who like cooking and all those stuff. So you can start cooking in your house, post it on social media, people can order it and you are going to ship it to them, or they come for home delivering. It just depends, or they ask for home delivering. It just depends on how you plan to do this business model. Is a very good business that you can start from the comfort of your home. Number 6 business is a washing business. So you can open a laundering store. You can open a laundering store. How this laundering store works is that you buy machines that used to wash and dry clothes, and people are going to be coming and wash their clothes, and they are going to pay you money by you offering them this service. So you have your machine, you have the drying and the washing machine, you have the soap, you have everything. This business model is very, very good, and you can make a lot of money from it because people are washing clothes every single day. If you are in a busy city, this is a good business that you can start from the comfort of your home. There is other business which is called freelancing. In freelancing, you can do a lot of things. You can do like video editing. You can do a graphic designing. You can help people to build and create their websites. You can help people to write an article, virtual assistant. There's people who are in doing a business like that. They need an assistant that is going to help them through this business. You can make money with this type of business too. If you want to get involved in this type of business, there is a phone and computering repairing. So if you are somebody who which is the number 8, if you are that person that like repairing phone, you can make money too by repairing phone for people, and you are going to get paid by doing this type of business. There is the number 9, which is cleaning service. So what you are doing is that you are cleaning houses. You clean. It's not just only houses. So cleaning services, they can call you for any type of cleaning. It can be car, it can be a house, it can be balcony, it can be a garden, it can be a particular thing at all. They will just call you that concerns cleaning, and they are going to ask for this service from you. There's a lot of people that is making up to $10,000 or 10,000 euros every single month by just doing this business, which you can do from the comfort of your home. You can start it and start giving your flyers to people, and by doing this, you are being in a position, a chance of making money online. So that is one thing that is very, very good. The number 10 of this making money online method is digital products. So what you are doing is that you are selling digital products and you are getting paid by selling digital products. It can be like your online course, your ebook, your how-to course, all these other things. You can make money by doing it online. online. So where you can sell your digital product can be like Etsy, or you can create your own personal website, which you can use Hostinger to create your website and go and list that your product and service on that your website, and people are going to buy that your digital products. It's just a virtual interaction with the people or your audience, and they are going to buy the product from you, and you are going to use it to be making money. If you have a gift of writing, you can turn it into a PDF and start selling it. So that is the 10 way that you can start using to make money online from the comfort of your home, guys. If you like this video, don't forget, like, share, comment, and I will see you guys on my next upcoming video. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing, you can click on this video here to learn how you can make money with affiliate marketing. Peace and see you soon, guys.